Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you another type of crochet back strap or cord. It will be like this. It's nice for the cord or like crossbody back straps. I'm going to use 100% cotton macrame yarn and 4mm crochet hook. Going to do the slip knot. To crochet this strap, we need to do 2 chains, chain 1, chain 2. Now use the second chain, pull through the yarn. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, as you're going to do like single crochet. Pull through the yarn through the 2 loops, like exactly the single crochet. So you just did single crochet. Now we have 2 you can see 2 loops. Put your hook like this in the second chain, second loop, pull through the yarn through the second loop only. Now you have 2 loops on the hook again. Now you are going to do as you do single crochet, pull through the yarn through the 2 loops. Now again repeat the same. You can see 2 loops here, 2 straps. Pull through the yarn through the second loop. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Pull through the yarn like you do single crochet. I'll start again. Slip stitch, chain 2, chain 1, chain 2. Now you have 2 chains and you are going to do use the second chain. Now if you do single crochet, you will pull through the yarn through the second chain, do the same. So now you have 2 loops on the hook. Pull through the yarn through 2 loops like you do single crochet. Now you can see 2 straps. Use the second strap to pull through the yarn. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Now pull through the yarn through 2 loops. Now again you can see 2 straps. Use the second strap, pull through the yarn. Now you have 2 loops and pull through like you do single crochet. Now you can see 2 straps. Use the second strap to pull through the yarn. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, pull through. Now you can see 2 straps. This is very easy. Just do the same again and again, pull through. So you will continue the same pattern until you reach your desired length for the back strap or back cord.